Hi, my name is Peter Bilgo. I'm the owner of Riverside Automotive. My friends at Rural Mutual Insurance Company have asked for my assistance in putting together a winter emergency kit for your car so you can truly own winter. So let's get started. Let's start out by making sure that you have a hat, warm gloves, extra pair of boots, a blanket, a coat, so you stay nice and warm. You don't know how long you're going to be stranded. You want to have some water and snacks because you might get hungry depending on how long it takes for someone to get to you. Jumper cables in case your battery goes dead or someone you know. These emergency cones and these emergency flares will help keep you safe. People can see you. It's important to have a flashlight. If you've ever had to change a tire in the dark, this flashlight will come in really handy, so make sure you have a flashlight there. You want an ice scraper, a brush, and a snow shovel. In case you get stuck in the snow, you can dig yourself out. Windshield deicer and lock thaw to help get your locks in case they get frozen. And lastly, a first aid kit, something that has a scissors, some bandages, maybe a warm pack. You may never need it, but you'd be awful glad you have it in your car if you do. All these things should fit safely into a backpack or a duffel bag for the back of your car. It's a great way for you to own winter. Stay safe, Wisconsin.